What's going on? This is Gumbo Limbo Park. What is going on? We are here at Gumbo Limbo, a little hidden treasure in South Florida, located in Boca Raton, Florida, right across from the beach. We are about to go check out their fish feeding. They have some turtles here. It's a nature center. I believe it's like 20 acres. They have kayaking classes. It's on the intercoastal. Really cool place to come take a nice little walk, see some creatures and stuff like that. So let's go on a tour and check this place out. So a couple of things. It is free, open I think Monday or 7 days a week. Check the hours. They have different feedings, different education things and such. They have a schedule posted online. They also have the kayaking classes and stuff posted online as well. Parking is free. If there's overflow, you can go to the Red Reef West, which is $3 or $4 an hour. And you can walk, it's like 0.3 miles away. So yeah, let's check it out. So there is an outlook that you could check out. I don't know, 4 stories I bet. Kind of looks back over the intercoastal and stuff. It's pretty nice. So we're here on a Saturday. It's very, very crowded. I think it's crowded. I don't know. Maybe it's not that crowded. But yeah, all right, let's keep on going. So far it is pretty accessible if you have like wheelchair or something like that. Like we're going down the Rapnet now. From the tower, there's stairs, but there's also towers. So far everything's been pretty accessible. So I would say an hour to an hour and a half, depending on if you're going to come to a program, is a good time to come here. Time span, you can walk around. It's very nice. It's very relaxing. I'm pretty impressed. It's a lot better than I thought it would be, especially for it being free. Got a lot of sea turtles, education stuff. It's great for the kids. So yeah, check it out. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out my playlist, Florida Adventures, if you're down here. I have other places. I do nothing but travel videos, adventure videos, as well as some weird random tech reviews. I don't know. You never know what I'm going to post, but hope you liked it, and we will see you on the next one.